The smaller rocks and gravel and sand come out the dewatering screw. The overburden, larger rocks come out that slide there. You see the pile. We've ran about 5 or 6 buckets, but we have another 2 gold mines to go to, and don't know if we can get to them. So I think we'll check our miner's moss at later on. Unless you guys want to dig a few more buckets right around here. And then I'm going to put it in here, and after we fill all it up, I'll put those concentrates and the miner's moss, or the carpet we're using on this particular one. We're changing to a better miner's moss. We'll wrap that up in a bucket, and we're going to do these all separate and kind of get an idea of what worked better in which area. Just like that. And your carpet will actually come all the way out. Already did. And this is our concentrates. We will use our bucket after we fill up, and then we'll get it in the bottom and we'll rerun it. Let's see if we see anything here. And then we'll be running it through one of our gold cubes or a concentrator. But this carpet is just packed. Alright, and we'll save that, and we will work those concentrates later. We ran about 1 yard in this batch. Now we've just put in a better carpet for this fine gold, so we're putting in a real thick miner's moss. Again, no tools needed, those just fold right down. And then the sluice box will be ready to go. Also a great camping spot here. You hear the waves coming from the lake, plenty of firewood, all dried out. The driftwood is great firewood. Nice place to camp all through here, ladies and gentlemen. Only took us about 10 minutes to get about 80 gallons of water. So we're in business for the rest of the day with our Pioneer Prospector. Yeah! Woo. All right, Kiefmeister. And we've got about 70 gallons in there and about 10 gallons in our dewatering screw. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, now remember, we took down our concentrates. This was about a yard of material. We ran this in about 1 hour of time, if that much. Working the machine, demonstrating it. Now, we put a different carpet in, but here's a trick. Have some soap, some shampoo, and we have about 3.5 gallons here. I'm going to put some soap. I'm going to wipe it on the edge. It's better if you have a shampoo or dishwashing soap, but I'll put it in there. The reason being, the very small gold that we've been finding out here, it will suspend itself from the water tension a lot easier, and it breaks it up to get some soap and stuff. So wherever you stay at a motel, always take all the free shampoo and soap and stuff. You'll never know when you need it out here in the wilderness. All right, watch it. Now here we have our carpet, with might have our best values. So we're putting the carpet in here, and then we're just going to kind of agitate it, run it around, keep dripping off our black sands. I mean, this is turning black. And then we'll let it settle, and with the soap or shampoo, that actually helps settle all of the muds, the dirts, the sand, and most importantly, the shiny that you're working your hiney off to get right here, the yellow metal. That's right. Now, I also have this that came off of my riffles, and I'm going to be dumping that in there too. We will be taking this probably to a motel room or somewhere, and then we'll run our gold cube, another classifying machine that does the final work for you.
Okay.
Alright folks, so we've got our concentrates in a 5-gallon bucket, and we have several of them. I'll show you what another neat thing. We go ahead, and this will all fit into our dewatering screw of the Pioneer Prospector. That's right. And we even have extra gas cap right here, gas can there, extra gas for the machine, a funnel. We have a couple shovels that'll go right into our main tank, and we have our bungee cord, bungee right around, and she's ready to rock and roll down the dirt road, down the highway. Alright, shovels, rakes, whatever, they go in there. Of course, it's good bungee little cord right there, but you get the idea. Also, you can put things down your trommel tube here. We packed in 3 of us in the Volkswagen, been camping out under the stars, and it's been fun. Living it and loving it, that's right. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we've just dug another bucket, probably 40 pounds, so that's 1/40th of a yard, I think. But we're going to go ahead and run it through here, demonstrating the Pioneer Prospector for you again. Self-contained, 100 gallons of water, do 2 to 8 yards of material per hour. So if you really had the whole family together, or if you had a little miniature excavator, you could also put a little feed on it, you could pump some material through here. But also for the rock hounds out there, collectors of gemstones, when the tailings come out, they pile up here, but it's a sorting tray and they're wet. And there's a piece of, I don't know, could be quartz, could be a topaz crystals washed away. Here's another shiny something. Not sure what it is. That does look interesting. We'll keep that one, but we're going to show you how easy it starts. Got a Honda 160 overhead valve engine, dependable as can be, does have a choke, has about a half a gallon tank on it. It'll run for hours. Okay, come on baby. A lot of thick concentrates. We're going to run it nice and slow. We've got the water feeding in the hopper, spray bar feeding here, that water flow over the sluice box. The action here we'll show you down the center and how the sluice box works. You'll have a trap for your heavies, fine gold, kind of like a jig trap. And we'll take that plumbing fixture off. We just tighten it up, slip it a little bit. So we might even take those concentrates. But we'll have a lot of black sand, hopefully some gold right there. Also, with the trommel here, we have this nice classifier tray that comes off too for your tailing. Makes it easy with the water on it to pick out different minerals, specimens you might be looking for, maybe even a big gold nugget. Agates, lava, we found something earlier. Let me try to find something for us. Works real good when the sun's nice and high in the sky. Right. There's some feldspar. That's probably almost cuttable. That's feldspar right there. Nice feldspar crystal. Sunstone comes out of that. Got some magulated feldspar. Here's a bit of quartz and kind of granite. Something very interesting. Black, just total black. Lightweight, almost like a Tektite. You better take that, Kiwi. And meteorites are found out here too. Alright, so that's a demonstration in the field, bulk sampling, small operation miner, prospector, weekend family adventures. This is the machine to have. And we're actually on a mine that's going to be auctioned off. The Midas 9, only quarter mile to the lake right there. And a road going down there here, and a road on the other side of that mesa too. On the claim, I believe.